Now I'm going to show how to convert PNG files to a smaller size so that you can use them on watchout and the machine doesn't stack, so that the resources are kept low. So you get the file. What you do is you double click on it and you should have Photoscape opening the file for you. Photoscape will show you some info about the file. So here you can see the file size and here you can see the pixel size. This is too much to use on watchout. On most of the projects we do, our screens only have a 1080 pixels height, so this is way too much. So what you do to make it smaller is you go to Resize, you click on the small arrow, not on Resize but on the small arrow, and then you select a smaller resolution for it. Now I'm going to use 1024. This is a good size for, and I'll show you why later. So just select 1024, hit save, and then save again. The original file was replaced by a smaller version. You can see here. Now it's much smaller in pixels in size on the file, but there's a new folder here. The software keeps the original file inside this folder. So you see here you have the original file. So if you have ever need to re-compress it, resize it, or do anything else with it, you always have the original files. Okay, let's do the same to this one. Hit resize, sorry, resize, 1024, save, save again, close. So now we have two smaller files here. I'm gonna show you a practical example on watchout why we don't need such a big file. Here you have the original file, and here you have the converted file, the resized file. So if I drag the original file to the screen, you can see that this is too much to use on most of the compositions. Now I'll show you the smaller file. See, this is more or less the size that you need to use on a composition like the one we have here. If you're gonna use the picture to do something like this, you don't need such a big picture that you have to then resize on watchout, and that will make the machine load much slower than if it's a smaller file.